All Clean, full-service restoration offers water damage restoration services to all of Richland County, Ohio. Water damage is serious business. It's wise to leave water damage restoration to professionals who have the technology and expertise to remove moisture that can cause lasting damage and lead to dangerous mold infestations. Fast response is the key to minimizing damage from water damage. The longer water sits, and the longer the structure remains damp, the more damage will occur, and the greater the cost of repairs. At All Clean of Northeast Ohio, we respond immediately, day or night. Our water damage technicians are experienced drying specialists. They utilize advanced technology to restore your property. Moisture detection meters uncover hidden moisture in floors, walls, and ceilings, so that it won't lead to long-term damage or dangerous mold infestation. All Clean full-service restoration will work with all insurance companies on your behalf. When you have water damage, call us for 24-hour service.